What connects a small high school in rural Jamaica to one of the most powerful political positions in the world? The answer might surprise you, and it's a story that has the entire parish of Portland, Jamaica buzzing with excitement. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're highlighting a fascinating story that connects the beautiful island of Jamaica to the halls of power in Washington, D.C. In a surprising turn of events, U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris is now the challenger to former President Donald Trump in the upcoming presidential race this November. This development has sent shockwaves through the political landscape, and it's got people talking from Washington to Kingston. But there's one place where the excitement is reaching fever pitch: the parish of Portland, Jamaica. Why? Well, it all comes down to a school called Titchfield High and a man named Donald J. Harris. Titchfield High School sits on a little peninsula in Port Antonio, overlooking Navy Island. It's a school with a rich history, and it's where Kamala Harris's father, Donald J. Harris, spent his formative years. Donald Harris wasn't just any student. He went on to become a prominent economist and professor at Stanford University, but he never forgot his roots. In fact, he wrote a beautiful article titled Reflections of a Jamaican Father, where he talks about his time at Titchfield and his efforts to connect his daughters, Kamala and Maya, to their Jamaican heritage. In his article, Donald Harris paints a vivid picture of life in Jamaica. He talks about market days in Brownstown in St. Anne, where he and his daughters would chat with the higglers, local vendors, and get extra fruits as a brata, or bonus. He describes walks through cane fields and visits to the famous Dunn's River Falls. But perhaps most importantly, he talks about the strong women who shaped his life, his grandmothers, Miss Chrishy and Miss Iris. These women, with their mix of strength, discipline, and love, helped shape the values that Donald Harris would later pass on to his daughters. Now, you might be wondering, how does all this connect to Kamala Harris? Well, through her father, Kamala has deep roots in Jamaica. Donald Harris made sure to bring his daughters to Jamaica regularly, immersing them in the culture and helping them understand their heritage. There's even a touching story about a visit to Orange Hill, the family property. Donald Harris describes how a young Kamala, ever the adventurous and assertive one, took off exploring the terrain with joy and curiosity. It's a moment that perfectly captures the passing of heritage from one generation to the next. So you can imagine the excitement in Portland, especially among the Titchfield High community. The idea that someone with connections to their school and their parish could potentially become the President of the United States is electrifying. People in Portland are proud of their connection to Kamala Harris. They see her potential candidacy as a chance to shine a spotlight on their community and Jamaica as a whole. There's a sense that her success is their success, too. But this story is about more than just local pride. It's a powerful reminder of the impact of immigration and the global nature of our world today. Kamala Harris, with her Jamaican and Indian heritage, represents the diversity that is at the heart of the American experience. Her story is a testament to the power of education, hard work, and the values passed down through generations. From the classrooms of Titchfield High to the corridors of power in Washington, D.C., it's a journey that inspires and gives hope. As we watch the political landscape unfold in the coming months, it's worth remembering the small high school in Portland, Jamaica, that played a part in this story. Whether Kamala Harris wins the presidency or not, her journey from the daughter of immigrants to the highest levels of American politics is remarkable. And who knows? Maybe the next time you hear about Jamaica in the news, it won't be about beaches or reggae music. It might just be about the country's connection to the President of the United States. What do you think about this connection between Jamaica and American politics? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories from around the world.